Having trouble doing pull-ups? Here's 3 tips on how to get better at them. Step 1. Build as much strength as possible. You want to focus on your arms, back, and shoulder muscles because those are what I primarily use in the pull-up. The sooner you build up strength towards those, the better it will be. Here's some exercises you could use. Step 2. Become as light as possible. If you're more so on the heavier side, I suggest going in a caloric deficit. The lower your body fat percentage is, the lighter you'll be when you actually perform in the pull-up, and it makes things a lot easier and you'll be able to master it even faster. Step 3. Keep practicing doing pull-ups. You know the old saying, practice makes perfect. You keep doing it over time and eventually you'll get better at it. Your form will get better. The amount of repetitions you can pull is going to be a lot better, and eventually you'll work your way into harder exercises thanks to the pull-up. Don't forget to like and comment, and also subscribe for more calisthenics and dieting tips.